so soothing. I swear it is. It's so soothing. Look, guys. Let me get closer so y'all can hear the water smacking for real. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? See how it looks around my hood. It's kind of bougie around here, though. I ain't gonna lie. Like I can't even say it's a hood for real. It's not even the hood. Not here. It's not a hood. But the hood is around. Okay. I love these were what I heard about a story about these. These were built like early, late 1800s, 1900s. These rubber houses. This actually goes with this building over here. They got another one over here too, also over there. But I just be out here listening to the water. That's what I be out here doing. My car's parked like right behind me too, cause the street's right here. See, and they doing all this construction on my road. I'm saying, tearing up my roads around here, causing havoc around here on the traffic. Look, y'all, they tearing stuff all up here, and it's going way down